Hey my people, welcome back to my channel here. I have something special to show you here at the 1606 North Farragut Street here in North Portland. Priced at $699,000, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,900 square feet. You don't want to miss this. But wait, there's more. This property has a possible AD unit which you can use as a mother-in-law suite. Let's dive into all the possibilities. So this Kenton home has been completely remodeled and structurally upgraded, with 2 bedrooms upstairs and 2 bedrooms downstairs with the bathroom on each level. Let's start with the living room here, featuring this gas fireplace and wood built-ins. Leading here to the kitchen, you have this huge granite countertop with your black hardware and stainless steel appliances. Let's go downstairs to the ADU. So this mother-in-law suite, potential ADU, also has its own kitchen, oven, and new floors with its own exit. He came inside on this. Hey, once again, thanks for tuning in to my channel here at 1606 North Farragut Street here in North Portland. Big shout out to Brian Eustis of Premier Property Group for allowing me to view his listing. If you want to see this in person, have any questions, go ahead and hit me up. For more property tours and real estate tips, feel free to subscribe, ring that bell, and hit that like button so you can get the tours as they come. Get at me.